Hi, today we will discuss about what is Ohm's law. Now, Ohm's law is nothing but the equation which gives between voltage, current, and resistance. These are the three factors on which the Ohm's law is dependent upon. Now, if you check, Ohm is the unit, SI unit of resistor. If I want to find out or how you are going to define Ohm's law, Ohm's law states that current flowing in the circuit is directly proportional to voltage and inversely proportional to its resistance. So the equation, if you see, it's I equals to V upon R. That is, I stands for current flowing in the circuit, V stands for voltage, and R stands for resistance. So current is directly proportional to voltage and inversely proportional to resistance. In other words, directly in the sense, if voltage is increased, then definitely you will have increase in current. But in case of resistance, it will be just reverse. If resistance is increased, current will decrease. If resistance is decreased, current will increase. So it depends upon inversely proportional. So with the help of this formula, we can find the current flowing in the circuit if voltage and resistance is given. If voltage is not given, we can find out with the help of current and resistance. And if resistance is required and voltage and current flowing in the circuit is known, we can easily find out the value of that particular resistor. Thank you.